Loyalty.
Oh, yes.
You get a toy. Deep. Okay, we're gonna start off with our towels. I'm on carpet, so I didn't want no carpet exposed. But if you're on hardwood, this is completely optional. I wanted them. Okay, and next is our cereal. So I had a lot left over from when Loyalty was smaller, and it was already open, so I couldn't donate it. So this is perfect for me instead of throwing it away. But you can use sand, you can use oatmeal, you can use bigger cereal, whatever you want. I prefer mine to be edible, so this is perfect. You're gonna need your tongs. I have a plastic and a metal, clear plastic bin, and some just assortment of toys and things that your child would like to find in the box. This is why the towels were important to me. Like, no, really. But again, optional. And I almost forgot to mention rice. Some people use rice in there, so that's completely fine too. So next, we're just gonna place our toys in the bin, and once you put as many as you want in your bin, you're just gonna fill it up with your rice, sand, cereal, rice.
On fire. I'll let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? Love me like you.
And after that, you are good to go. It's ready to play. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more ideas from me, please let me know. And if you have any ideas that you'd like for me to try, please let me know that too. I'm always up for a challenge. This didn't entertain her as long as I thought it would, but I guess that just depends on the baby. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.